Morning, sir. My name is Chok Izan. So I'm from Segi Penang. So today I'm going to present about the weekend case study presentations. So the first case study is about a company called Boyce and Bowden, which Dean Hammond was the new general manager, and he is actually quite stressed with the inefficiency and lack of profitability of the joinery department. Because even having high quality work, the department is still facing some issue, included the deliveries, high cost, and also congested operations. So Dean's actually sees a potential in lean operation of just-in-time, which we call as GIT, principle to improve the efficiency of the joinery department. So the challenges includes delays, congestions, and also rework in the workflow for the department. So Dean actually consider implementing cellular manufacturing and also GIT principle to the streamline operations. So by applying GIT philosophies to BMB, the first point is actually the machinery allocation, which we could improve. We should prioritize simple and small machines, which it will align with the GIT philosophy. And the second one is the layout design. We'll need change to cell-based layout, which we call as cellular manufacturing, and to enhance the material flow and also focus on productivity, because it will foster the ownership among workers and also the managers. And then the third one is continuous improvement, which we should seek ongoing enhancement in machine performance, and also purchase new machine in line with the GIT principles. And the fourth one is operation practices, which we should adopt basic practices to streamline operations, ensure the design is actually support the efficient manufacturing, which could increase the lead time, and also emphasize maintenance to minimize the downtime. So the machine will be rarely to down. And then the fourth one is set up the production, which by applying the GIT principle to it will reduce the setup times. Also, it could optimize the production schedules for efficiency. And this is cost and benefits for both, which is financially and also non-financially. So in terms of financially, the equipment relocation from the current configuration to the newly formed cell, better organization, control, layout, also machine flow, we could benefit the company. And also the second one is actually purchasing new equipment that facilitates efficient work division and also waste reduction by assigning tasks to the designated cell worker, which for example, this one machine is small, and also it could actually create different parts instead of many machines to create different parts. And then for non-financially, a shift in the working environment, the development of cell would provide employees a better understanding of the cellular environment and also enhance their ability to adapt. Consequently, teamwork and also communication between all of the workers would be enhanced. The abilities would enhance business growth and also the operation of the management. So by implement GIT, and how and also when should Dean do it? I think Dean should immediately do it, which he could conduct a meeting, one-on-one meeting with his manager, or maybe his higher operations to tell about, or maybe inform them about the idea of GIT philosophy, because it could benefit to the company. After that, the joinery manager should try to consider about the GIT idea and do some research and analysis, since they also possesses some of the foundation knowledge for the system, the manufacturing system. And then to clear up any misunderstanding or also uncertainties, they must lead the joinery manager and also staff on the GIT processes, so it could close the gap between them. So the difference in working staircase cell and also the joinery shop is, the first one is specialization, which staircase cell employees would only specialize in producing a staircase, while the joinery shop, they actually more to different parts. They customize different parts of the operations, or maybe for the company, such as doors, windows, and also other custom stuff. And the And the second one is planning. The main general shop employees can plan and control their job based on the staircase cell only, which they are actually within the field. And for the third one is the workflow, which staircase employee would only focusing on the production of staircase, while junior tend to focus on variety of projects based on the demand, which I mentioned earlier, which is about the doors, the windows, and also other custom stuff. So the case study 2, which we need to find another company almost similar with the case study 1. So for my idea, it's actually a metal fabrication company, a company which is focusing on manufacturing a variety of metal components and structure for industry in automotive and machineries, because they actually almost same like the BMB company. The process includes cutting, burning, welding, forming, and also assembly until the end product. So what is the material, product, and also the staff flow of this kind of company is actually for the old-style metal fabrication company. They utilize a traditional functional layout where machines and workstation of each of the workers are organized together based on their function, such as cutting, welding, forming, burning, and assembling instead of the product that they are going to manufacture. Which cutting, we have their own department. Welding, we have their own department. Forming, we have their own department. This could lead to inefficiencies such as a long material flow distance, frequent material handling, and also disjointed workflows. So the old layout style of metal fabrication company is actually functional layout, whereas the previous kind of layout, I think most of the old companies, or maybe the traditional or conventional company, they actually use the same kind of layout in which devices with similar functions were placed together. For example, all the cutting machines were in one section, and the welder station are in one section, and also the bending machines were in still another. Other than that, most of the traditional layout where raw materials were stored in warehouse, that is quite far from the stations, which then you need to take more time to take the parts to continue their work. Okay, so what are the improvement after implement cell layout to the company is, the first one is actually reduce the lead times, which traditional layout system led to longer lead times due to inefficient material flow and also disjointed workflow. Implementing a cell layout could save a lot of lead times. So the second point is actually improve efficiency by rearranging all the workstations and also other equipment into separate self-contained cell layout encourage a more economical use of resources. By doing so, the material handling is minimized. Also, the downtime is decreases compared to the old school one. So the third one is actually the enhanced quality, which by creating dedicated cells for specific product families, the company can focus on optimizing processes, improving quality control, and reducing defects. Any defects can be detected on the spot in the cell before going through the next operation, which we could save a lot of time, also the quality. And the fourth one is actually the flexibility and adaptability. Cell layout may be readily modified to account for variations in production volume or product mix. Because of its adaptability, the business can react swiftly to changing client and market demands, which the company could easily shift to another one. Just depends on the client. That's all for me. Thank you.